Good morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. As we have started a grammar topic, adverbs, and we have learned adverbs of manner, place and time. Now let's learn about it more. Before starting today's class, let's recapitulate previous class. As we have learned adverbs of time, place and manner. Just see here some examples. Adverbs of time: already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon and lately. So we have to put the question word when, as you are getting the answer of when question word directly. Definitely you will get the answer and it will be adverbs of time. I have heard this before. When? Before. I have not seen him since. When? Since. I haven't spoken to her yet. When? Yet. She will be here soon. When? Soon. So means the question word you have to put for adverbs of time, that is when. Adverbs of place: here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards and upwards and so on. Is that your scarf there? Where? There. I have lived here for about 2 years. Where? Here. I walked backwards towards the door. Where? Backwards. She turned her face upwards to the sun. Where? Upwards. Fine. So means the question word you have to put for getting the answer of adverbs of place, that is where. The last one is adverbs of manner: so, slowly, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly. So we can use even adverb of degree also, but you have to see how you are going to use it. The soldiers fought bravely. How? Bravely. Is that so? How is it? Is that so? How? So here we have used, that is the question word how. She dresses beautifully. How? Beautifully. We waited anxiously by the phone. How? Anxiously. What do you mean by anxiously? That is tensed. Fine. So these three adverbs we have learned. And if you let me recall your definition also, adverbs are going to describe the words, describe verb, adverbs and adjectives. Fine. Now let's continue with today's class. The very first one we have, that is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency always tell us how often something takes place, either in definite or indefinite terms. Frequency. And you can see here the question word we are supposed to put how often. Fine. Here adverbs of indefinite frequency, it means indefinite, that we do not know. It's always cold in this room. So how often? Always. I usually get home about 6 o'clock. How often? How often? Usually. I don't often drink beer. That is how often. Often even is a frequency word. I sometimes think I am going mad. How often? Sometimes. I see him occasionally in town. That is how often? Occasionally. I seldom read the newspaper. How often? Seldom. We rarely or hardly ever go to concerts. How often? Rarely means hardly is equal to not even. Fine. Rarely or hardly ever go to concerts. We have never been to New York. Never. How often? Never. Fine. So these are what adverbs of indefinite frequency. And for this you are supposed to put the question word, that is how often. These are the most common words we are going to be used for this adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely or hardly and never. Fine. These were indefinite frequency, and in this we are going to learn definite frequency. Generally, adverbs of definite frequency occur at the beginning or the end of a sentence. You can see here whether at the end of a sentence or in the beginning of the sentence. An adverb that describes definite frequency is one such as weekly, every week, daily, every day, yearly, every year, once a month, twice a year, 4 times a day, every other week and so many. Fine. They are going to tell the answer of how often. Generally, we are supposed to put whether at the beginning or the end of a sentence. The library is open every day. How often? Every day. He visits his grandpapa every 2 weeks. How often? Every 2 weeks. The moon waxes or wanes every month. How often? Every month. This medicine is to be taken early. How often? Early. So like this we are going to put our answer. means the question word is how often for this frequency. Fine. Now come to the next one, adverbs of degree. Degree for this adverbs that answer the question how much or to what extent. Means for frequency question word is how often. For degree we have the question word is how much or to what extent, are known as adverbs of degree. Fine. That's simply to what extent or how much, that we cannot count actually, but you can easily to what extent we can understood. The view from the top is very beautiful. How much beautiful? Very beautiful. The adverb very is an adverb of degree which modifies the adjective beautiful. And here you can see beautiful is what? This is our adjective. So very is going to describe this adjective. That's why very is what? Adverb of degree, because it is giving the answer of how much. Why are you eating the popcorn so quickly? Here quickly is what? This is adverb. So and so is describing adverb only. That's why so is what? Adverb. Earlier also so we have done in the recap class. In that so was adverb of manner. So you have to see the sentence, and whatever the question word we are going to put, accordingly you have to put your answer. If it is giving the answer of how much, it will be adverb of degree. If it is giving the answer of how, it will be adverb of manner. That's why we are learning over here question words. Fine. I totally enjoyed the ride. So how much did you enjoy? I totally. So here enjoyed, what is enjoy here? That is verb. So here totally is describing the enjoy. That's why this is adverb totally. Fine. So first one we have done frequency. In this the question word is how often, and next one we have done degree. That is question word is how much or to what extent. Fine. Now come to the next one, interrogative adverbs. Adverbs that are used to ask questions about time, place, number, manner, quantity and reason are called interrogative adverbs. Simply you have to see these main four question word: how, when, where and wow and why. Simply whenever you are going to get these question word, it means here they are going to use as adverbs, interrogative adverbs. How was the movie? When does the play begin? Where is the new mall being built? Why don't you like her? Simply whenever you are going to get these question words, it means these are what? These are interrogative adverbs. Fine. Now the last one we have, that is adverbs of affirmation or negation. Adverbs that confirm or deny the action of a verb are called adverbs of affirmation or negation. Confirmation we are going to say adverbs of affirmation. For deny we are going to say adverbs of negation. Fine. Like some commonly used adverbs of affirmation are definitely, surely, absolutely and undoubtedly. These are the words we are going to be used for adverbs of affirmation. And for the negation, all the negative words we are going to be used over here, like no, can't, don't, not and never. Never you can see we have even used for adverbs of frequency. Fine. So here also you can use, it doesn't no matter. In the answer you can put whether adverbs of negation or adverbs of frequency. Fine. For the affirmation, the words are definitely, surely, absolutely and undoubtedly. For the negation, negative words like no, can't, don't, not and never. So just see examples over here. Sita said she would definitely attend the ceremony. That is definitely, it means affirmation is given over here. Fine. I am not taking up your offer. Not negative word, that's why this is negation. Fine. I hope you have understood the very first one we have done frequency. Question word is how often. Second we have done degree, that is how much or to what extent. Third one interrogative. Question words are how, where, when and that is why. Fine. And the last one we have done adverbs of affirmation or negation. Affirmation definitely, surely, absolutely and undoubtedly. Negation negative words. Fine. I hope you have understood. Now this is your classwork students. As we have done yesterday, underline the adverbs and state what type they are. First one, no, they are not going to come. So here you can see no. No is what? That is negative word. That's why we have to, this is what? Adverb of negation. Tia is undoubtedly the sweetest girl in the class. Here undoubtedly, that is affirmation. Adverbs of affirmation. She asked Kainas how she had been. Simply, clearly we have got the question word, that is how. So that will be adverbs of manner. You are not training enough for the upcoming swimming. Enough. You are not training how much? That is enough. So we have got the answer of how much. That's why adverbs of degree. I am extremely sorry for forgetting the task you asked me to do. I am how much sorry, how much that I was feeling sorry, that is extremely. For that, adverbs of degree. Next one, she thinks she is absolutely correct. Absolutely, that is affirmation. Neha ran very fast but could not catch the bus. Neha run how much fast? That is very. It is adverb of degree. Fine. Next one, he is lazy, he rarely does any work. I have often told him to change his way, but he seldom listens. As you can see in this sentence, I have given three words: rarely, often, and seldom. Fine. So these all three words are what? Adverbs of frequency. Like he, how often does any work? That is rarely. How often I told him? How often. And but how often that he listens? Seldom. Fine. So in a single question, even you can get more than 1-2 words of adverbs. I had almost fallen asleep when a loud noise woke me up. How much fallen asleep? How much asleep? Almost. That is degree. When are you planning to leave for the concert? As you can see, when, that is interrogative question word. Interrogative adverb. She goes to gym daily. She rarely skips the routine. Here we have two adverbs, daily and rarely. So how often means frequency. She was so shy that she rarely spoke in class. In this also we have two adverbs, but one is what? She was how much shy? So shy. That is degree. And how often did she speak in class? Rarely. So in this we have different adverbs. So that is adverb of degree, and rarely, that is adverb of frequency. They are extremely decent people. They never speak ill about anyone. So here extremely, how much decent people? Extremely decent people. So how much? That is extremely. Degree, never. Never, as I have told you, we can use even for the negation also, adverb of negation, or we can say adverb of frequency. In both we can use. You have done very well in maths, as this also we have done yesterday. In this, well, if you are going to be underlined well, how have you done? So well, if you are getting the answer of how, it means well. Well will be your adverb of manner. But here I have underlined very. How much well did he do? That is degree. Fine. So same as in this also we have two. I don't want the injection, it's extremely painful. So fine, here how much painful? Extremely. Degree. So I hope you have understood. Now, I hope you have understood all the types of adverbs we have learned today. Thank you.